Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 2.7% in the last session after rising as much as 1.4% during the session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Arabia's oil-producing company Aramco has announced a net income of around $47 billion for the first half of the year, double what it earned in the same period last year. Chinese firms have grabbed billions of pounds worth of British businesses amid a sharp economic decline from the COVID pandemic. China's strong economic recovery is expected to fade in the months ahead, putting downward pressure on the yuan exchange rate and consequently creating headwinds for other Asian currencies.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's current account will be released at 2350 GMT. The U.S. JOLTS job openings at 1400 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 600 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 2301 GMT. Japan's trade balance at 2350 GMT, Germany's current account at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.